In today's automotive world, where new tech often overshadows lasting quality, true intelligence lies in what endures. My neighbor's new SUV failed at 16,000 miles, while my old Lexus, with 350,000 miles, still runs perfectly. This stark contrast highlights a crucial truth. The cars we deem outdated might be the smartest, most resilient choices on the road. Forget costly software updates, unexpected battery failures, and unnecessary complications. This deep dive explores 9 automotive legends, some overlooked, some hidden in plain sight. These vehicles were meticulously built to last, quietly outperforming modern luxury cars in reliability. If you've ever felt that new cars aren't made like they used to be, you're about to discover why you were right. Car number 1. Chevrolet Suburban, 1992 to 1999, the indestructible family colossus. The Chevrolet Suburban 1992 to 1999 models is a vehicle built with truck-like robustness, cleverly disguised as a family hauler. This 7th-generation Suburban hides one of the most durable family vehicles ever built, representing a peak of American engineering, prioritizing functionality and longevity. GM equipped these Suburbans with legendary engines, the 5.7-liter V8 small block and the colossal 7.4-liter big block V8. These engines were celebrated for mechanical simplicity and flawless operation over hundreds of thousands of miles. IC Cars reports the Chevrolet Suburban as America's longest-lasting SUV, with an impressive 5.2% still on the road after 200,000 miles. Many 90-second Suburbans exceed 300,000 or even 400,000 miles with basic maintenance. Car number 2. Lexus LS 400, the silent revolution of enduring luxury. Unveiled in 1989, the Lexus LS 400 was Toyota's answer to top luxury brands, engineered for eternal durability. Its development cost over $1 billion, resulting in a car that redefined luxury durability. At its core was the legendary UZFE 4-liter V8, built to last 500,000 plus miles without a rebuild. Real-world stories of LS 400 Second reaching 500,000 to 1 million miles with basic maintenance are common. Even today, clean LS 400 Second can be found for under $8,000, offering affordable luxury without the typical repair nightmares of modern European sedans. Car number 3. Honda Accord, the symphony of discreet resilience. The Honda Accord, often seen as background noise in traffic, holds astonishing mileage records. It embodies the idea of looking old but being impossible to kill. Examples include a 1,990 Accord reaching over 1 million miles on original components and a 2003 model hitting the same mark. IC Cars data consistently ranks the Accord among the top 10 longest-lasting cars, with over 2.3% exceeding 200,000 miles. Its legendary durability comes from overbuilt engines like the F22 and K-Series 4-cylinders, which lack complex turbos and fragile electronics. Honda opted for solid cast-iron blocks designed to endure abuse. Clean used Accords from the early 2000s are often under $5,000. This low purchase price, combined with affordable insurance and straightforward maintenance, means it will likely outlive many $35,000 crossovers. Car number 4. Acura Legend, 1986 to 1995, the forgotten legend of premium reliability. The Acura Legend, 1986 to 1995, has quietly earned a reputation as one of the most reliable luxury cars of its time. Built during Acura's golden era, it featured 2.7-liter or 3.2-liter V6 engines that were non-interference, meaning engine damage from timing belt failure was avoided, a rare and forgiving design. Owners frequently report 300,000 to 500,000 miles on original drivetrains. Despite its understated appearance, lacking modern tech, it was engineered to last, offering low insurance costs, manageable repair bills, and a smooth ride. Car number 5. Toyota Land Cruiser, 100 Series 1998 to 2007, the unbreakable terrain conqueror. The Toyota Land Cruiser 100 Series 1998 to 2007 is a testament to enduring engineering. Big, boxy, and rugged, it hides one of the most indestructible vehicles ever made. Equipped with Toyota's legendary UZFE 4.7-liter V8, built with a cast-iron block and virtually no weak points, it was paired with a full-time four-wheel drive system and a heavy-duty body-on-frame design. IC Cars ranks the Land Cruiser among the top 3 longest-lasting vehicles in the US, with 18.2% reaching over 200,000 miles, a figure that dwarfs most modern SUVs. Many 100 series models regularly hit 400,000 to 500,000 miles with basic maintenance. Even with high mileage, clean 100 series Land Cruisers still command over $20,000, proving their enduring value. Car number 6, Honda Odyssey, 1999 to 2004, the minivan that refuses to age. While minivans aren't known for excitement, the 1999 to 2004 Honda Odyssey stands out for its refusal to die. Equipped with Honda's J35 3.5-liter V6, known for its balance of power and longevity, this minivan offers seating for 7 and ample cargo space. IC Cars ranks the Odyssey among the top 10 longest-lasting vehicles in the US, with 2.6% surpassing 200,000 miles, and thousands reaching 300,000 plus with consistent maintenance. Their low demand in the used market makes them an excellent long-term value. Car number 7, Toyota Corolla, accessible and universal reliability. The Toyota Corolla is a global symbol of reliability and durability. This compact, often underestimated, is an endurance giant, having sold more units than any other car in history. Corolla engines, like the 1ZZ-FE and 2ZR-FE, are known for accumulating hundreds of thousands of miles with basic maintenance. Many 90-second and 2,000-second Corollas still run daily, exceeding 300,000, 400,000 kilometers. Consumer Reports consistently ranks it among the most reliable. The Corolla maintains strong resale value, making it a safe investment for reliable, long-term transportation. Car 8, Honda Civic, the compact of unwavering trust. Following Honda's lineage of reliability, the Honda Civic is a pillar of durability and practicality. It's one of the best-selling vehicles globally, and its reputation as a car that simply won't quit is well-deserved. Older Civics, 92nd and early 2002nd, are notable for their robustness. Equipped with D-Series and B-Series engines, they withstand high mileage with regular maintenance. Many Civics exceed 250,000 miles, running without significant issues even after decades. Consumer Reports consistently ranks the Civic as highly reliable. Wide parts availability and ease of repair contribute to low maintenance. Car 9, Toyota Camry, the silent monster of longevity. The Toyota Camry, while understated, is surprisingly robust. If you seek a vehicle that truly lasts forever, this machine is a quiet monster of reliability. Whether equipped with the 2.2-liter 5SFE inline-4 or the smooth 3-liter 1MZFE V6, these engines are renowned for their endurance. Real-world examples include a 1,995 Camry driven over 550,000 miles without major engine work. IC Cars ranks the Camry among the top 5 longest-lasting sedans, with over 1.9% reaching more than 200,000 miles. Consumer Reports consistently gives the Camry top reliability marks, especially for 2000 to 2006 models, considered bulletproof. Camrys are affordable to insure, easy to repair, and economical to buy used, making them ideal for value and longevity. The verdict: when old school meets unbreakable. These 9 automotive legends prove that sometimes the best cars are the ones that don't try to impress you with flashy features or cutting-edge technology. They simply work, day after day, year after year, mile after mile. In a world obsessed with the latest gadgets and software updates, these vehicles remind us that true innovation lies in building something that lasts. From the Honda Accord's million-mile achievements to the Land Cruiser's indestructible reputation, from the Camry's silent endurance to the Suburban's truck-like toughness, these cars represent a philosophy that seems almost forgotten in today's automotive landscape. Build it right the first time, and it will serve you for decades. They may not have the latest infotainment systems or autonomous driving features, but they offer something far more valuable: peace of mind and the confidence that your investment will pay dividends for years to come. The beauty of these vehicles lies not in their appearance, but in their ability to become trusted companions on life's journey. They're the cars that take you to your first job, help you move to a new city, carry your family on countless adventures, and still have plenty of life left when you're ready to pass them on to the next generation. Your turn. Join the conversation in our community. Now, here's where you come in, and this is important because your story could be the one that changes everything for someone else. Have you owned any of these legendary vehicles? Maybe you're driving one right now, or perhaps you had one that served your family faithfully for years. We want to hear about it. Drop a comment below and tell us, which of these cars have you experienced firsthand? What's the highest mileage you've achieved with any vehicle? Do you have a reliability story that would make other car enthusiasts jealous? Are you now considering one of these proven champions for your next purchase? Your real-world experience is GOLD to our community. Every comment, every story, every mile you share helps fellow car enthusiasts make smarter decisions and avoid costly mistakes. You're not just sharing a story, you're potentially saving someone thousands of dollars and years of frustration. But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. If you found value in this deep dive into automotive durability, you're going to love what we have planned next. We're building the ultimate resource for smart car buyers, and we want you to be part of this journey. Hit that subscribe button right now and become part of our growing family of automotive enthusiasts who value substance over style, reliability over flash, and proven performance over empty promises. When you subscribe, you're not just getting access to more content, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals who understand that the smartest car purchase isn't always the newest or most expensive one. Don't let this be the last time we connect. Subscribe now, turn on notifications, and be the first to know when we uncover the next hidden gems in the automotive world. Because trust me, we're just getting started, and the best discoveries are yet to come. Your next car purchase could be the smartest decision you ever make, but only if you have the right information. Make sure you're ready when that moment comes. Subscribe now, and let's continue this journey together.